So today we're going to be doing the LED upgrade for the ISF fog lights, and just to give you an idea of how much of a difference this makes, you'll see the original halogen on the right, the yellow, and the new LED on the left. I'll go shut that off and then we'll go into part numbers and all that. Alright, so actually it's almost like a bluish color if you look at it with your eyes. That's like a yellow, but more modern, definitely. And let me just turn on the lights here. And these are a factory part. So I recently found out that the 2014 ISF had these LED fog lights, and they are direct plug-in affair. So here are your part numbers. That's the right side. That's the left side. And here's the original bulb style. And to access, you just want to pull this back a little, and you'll be able to get enough room to get your hand in here. And these are actually only held in by one screw. I thought that was kind of weird. There you go. So the right side is actually held in by tabs in the bumper, and the left side, you see there's just that one screw on top left, and that's it. Plug's the same, everything else is the same, and you get a nice modern look. So if you're interested, I'd recommend it. Very cool upgrade. Obviously you can't change the bulbs, so if you want like a yellow fog light, you're kind of just stuck with the old ones. If you want this nice sharp line in a modern white color, then go for the upgrade.